Appreciate you, all the mourners. Thank you for coming in these great numbers. I want to inform you briefly what is happening on the background.
Joseph Okidi, Belomera Kome, Bana Yiti, Bot One White, Jaleo One, Meno, and Gangi, and Lone Agora, and Yuang Lobo Kan, John Ganeone, Aye, Tie, Ila.
Joseph Okidi is my younger brother. The father is younger to me and is born of this place. I want you to know he is being buried in their home, in their family.
Apollo and Nya Okelo Charles John Bryan.
He's called Okelo Charles John Bryan. My younger brother will read the life of the deceased.
We are here. Abichao Ketuchunia, Fort Luku, Mageno Biro, Kalwako Tibo, Palmera. Nia Kilo de Utu Kere Anthony Gansmo Arege.
He's called Otu Kere Anthony Gansmo Arege.
L'homme qu'on a history palato aporo ye idulma papa chabe woro keta yobo kwere mi achiel.
This is how I'm going to read the life of the deceased in different categories, the 5 categories.
Mi achiela abitao kichwa lo pos pochaba diet serobon la chuet ma ugowa yoma papa wero kwe waro gore kan utiloko tibu kumera.
I start by thanking God who has brought us here and gathered us here to escort my brother.
Amira po Dr.
I want to appreciate the medical personnel from these hospitals.
Dr. Lacho Hospital.
The doctors from Lacho Hospitals.
Dr. International Hospital, Kampala.
The doctors from IHK. God bless you. I want to appreciate the family of the deceased and all the relatives. With all the struggles they made, but God did not accept. I want to appreciate also the friends who struggles so hard. I appreciate all the pastors in Acholi land for all the struggles and serving God. Security team, police, I appreciate the police of Gulu and Amoro for the struggles they made. Not forgetting all the leaders, whether you are civil servant or politician.
Okay, American Chief Justice of the Republic of Uganda, Justice Alfred Chigamoy Owendoro, Between Mero Tiu Quere, we yellow come Nerone, Etoroba, Apuye, Apoy Mate.
I want to appreciate the Chief Justice of Uganda, Alphonse Chigamoy Owindolo, for the struggles to make sure his uncle lived, but God did not accept.
Lokabi Ario.
The second category,
Lungan Kukiri Mono Berangagi.
who are the parents of Pastor Joseph Okidi.
Monukiri no Keloni Willie John Brown Utukere.
The father is called Willie John Brown Otukene
Nekagora Nyang.
from Agora Nyang clan.
Komedope.
He is not alive.
Milato Keloni Ako Mary.
The mother is called Akoko Mary.
Wake Kama Kelone Amo Oke Maktikila Kona.
He is from the clan called Amo, okay, from Kilakona.
Kometie Eto Panya Kachane Tiki Danokan.
She's with us, but I'm not sure. She's alive, but I'm not sure if she's with us here.
Kaupere Tipamia Moga Wayan Berry Kintano.
If she's not here, I'm not sure why she has not come.
Lunyara Rione, Unyara Lotino.
Two of them gave birth to Pastor Joseph.
The little kiddy, Erono Nye, Erolo Koranyera.
He got that name because he followed the girls.
Umigade Opera Rio, Eto, Kombiwang Pere.
He had two sisters, all of them are deceased now.
Ukiri, Korunyano Gornini.
How was he born?
Kiri Kenyara Nero Doya Beat, Mahali Bachien, Kipia Borono.
He was born on the 5th of May, 1980.
Mahali Bachien, Kipia Borono, Kipia Borono, Mukiri no Timara Wan, Mina Macedonia Koro Mereni, Wao, Dako Gange, Kipot Babana.
In 1984, the mother left and went back to their home when he was still 4 years. When he went back, he got married somewhere else.
She won Latin, wa Marali Bachiel, Kimi Abongwan, Pierre Abongwan, we are there, Ugama Latin,
In 1993, the father picked the late Pastor Joseph Okidi and came back with him.
Karamaka do Okidi in Odonte Marapara there. Che, Marali Bachiel, Kimi Abongwan, Kepi Abongwan, when Okidi to Richero, Chao Clat. P3, Pokanopi 1, Pokanopi 2, Chakopi 3, Igaragara P7.
When he was brought back, he was already 13 years old. In 1994, he went back straight to P3. He did not study P1 and 2.
1996, Ukiri George, Umine Naluano Wam Casemiro, Upanawan, Cherokere Kutiro. Uchwalawere school magalua na mokora eno kwano kuno P5.
His brother took him to Kotido, where he studied in the school called Namukora, and he studied to P5.
Caramero yara no pakarmoja antiyo marato twal ukiri kedogo en 1997 ukiri 1998 para patwa kwe chupenya kekunu.
When there was a lot of insurgency due to the Karamajong, he had to come back and start from Patong. Where did he study the secondary level studies? In 1999, he went to Dr. Bore College, Lira.
Senior 2 and senior 4, Oxford College,
Due to some challenges, he came back and went to Oxford College, Kitgum, where he sat his UCE, Senior 4.
Senior 5, Senior 6, Kirubaro, Gulu Central College, Gulu SS.
For his A-level, Senior 5 and 6, he went to Gulu Central High School.
Nare Ukiro Chao, Kid Doctor Bore College, Ma
He got saved from Dr. Obore College, that means in senior 1. When he sat in senior 4, he went to Kalo. When after his education, he went to Kalo and start and continue with the church. From Kalo, he went to Kidgum, and from Kidgum, he went back to Gulu. Before he continued with his education, he felt he needed to get married. In 2007, he married traditionally and he wedded his wife, Mrs. Susan Okidi, who is with us here. God gave them 6 children. 2 did not survive, and only 4 we have them here. We have 3 boys and 1 girl. After that, he joined Gulu University. 2014 to 2018. When he was at Gulu University, he became the guild president. He graduated as a teacher of English. What caused the death? On the 30th of September 2025, he got involved into accident. And they rushed with him to Lacho Hospital. When Lacho realized they could not manage, they rushed with him to IHK International Hospital, Kampala. As God has given, God also decided on the 6th of October, his life, he breathed his last on the 6th of October. This is the life history of the deceased, dear mourners. Thank you so much.
No atele ko wangang kichunya chelu menyotuwa lupajo. Wekong kayo pe